this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this little thing is Flora, and this is a TressAllure wig, and the color is Chiffon Candy. Now, I'm not really going to talk about Chiffon Candy. I've already done a color spotlight on that, so make sure you keep an eye out for that if you haven't seen it already. This is mainly going to be about Flora. And the first thing I want to mention about Flora is she fits tight on me. So I want to make this video kind of short because it's kind of hurting my head. I have an average large cap circumference though. So, I mean, my head's a little bit bigger than most people's. It happens, I'm just built a little differently. But that means that if something's kind of tight on me, it's probably gonna fit you just right. This is going to be a very nice, secure fit for about 99% of all women out there. So if you're in the market for a really short pixie that fits securely, this one will do the trick very nicely. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Flora looks like on all sides. Then I'll kind of take the cap off and go from there. This one has a lot of layering, so even though she's got this great monofilament part here, this layering means she's gonna have lots of body. So if you wanna really show this off, you might wanna get some synthetic safe styling product and just sort of manipulate the hair so you can show that off a little bit. She does have a lace front, and it's very nicely done. It's pre-cut, so even though it's got a bang, she gives you the option of off the face parting if you really want to do that. Let me go ahead and take Flora off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Flora has a standard cap on this side, and she has a monofilament side part on the left. That has a seamless transition into that contoured pre-cut lace front I mentioned before. She has open wefts on the side and in the back, and she has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. This is not a terribly stretchy wig, which is part of the reason why I keep mentioning it. So instead of putting it back on, I don't want to stretch this out just in case this is the perfect fit for its eventual owner. You can find Flora and all of the wigs I review on wigcloseouts.com. They're available on a first come, first served basis. All of our returns are also sold there, but they're all individually inspected. We don't spot check them. We spot check them and individually inspect them. So they're in very good condition. And so get yourself a Flora if you're interested. But there you have it. Until next time, have a great night, everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.